Hey y'all, I'm Vanessa. Today we're doing a tutorial with the Flower Beauty Suns Blazing palette. This is what this looks This is what it looks like. It is $16.99. I got this at Ulta and we have it on right now. So if you guys want to see how this works, how it applies, and if I recommend, then let's get into it. I'm really sorry if you hear snoring, loud breathing. I have a dog right here that's not feeling too hot, so he's sitting right here. So I'm really sorry. If you can ignore it, I'm so sorry. So we're first going to take our fluffy brush and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. One thing I'll tell you not sure why my camera just did that, but one thing I will tell you right off the bat is I hate the pans. Like, I hate these size pans. I would much rather have them in squares. Like, when you try to stick this in, you see like this brush, and then that's not even a big fluffy brush. Like, look at this guy. If you were to try to stick that, you're gonna get probably 2 other shades. So I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush and very carefully getting that on my brush. So we are going to put this shade in our upper crease area. Oh wow, we have pigment. We have lots of pigment. I don't think I was expecting that much pigment. Like, that's a lot of pigment. I'm gonna be blending for a minute. So definitely go in with a lighter hand. So I'm just gonna move my hand up a little bit more on the brush, and this puts more pressure, and I want a little bit more pressure just to blend out these edges. Whereas normally my hand is back here, so I'm getting the least amount of pressure that I can. Then I have my Morphe M433, and we're gonna go into this beautiful orangey shade right here. And I'm not gonna go in with too much, and I'm definitely gonna tap off the excess. Whew, I learned my lesson. And I'm gonna kind of start in the middle here and go almost into the tear duct area, and then just lightly blend, and then just continue to build this up because I don't want to go in with just straight pigment like I did the first time. But this is really beautiful. Now for the yellow, not sure if I want to take it on my finger or a brush. Yeah, let's try a brush. If this doesn't work, we will absolutely just cover it with one of the shimmers. So I have my Eco Tools brush here, and there's our yellow. It's pretty powdery. So I'm going to tap a little bit of that off so it doesn't go all over my face. Ugh. Okay, that's not looking great, but I'm going to continue to try to build. Not working for us. Okay, so we're gonna skip out on that. I know how this is performing already, and it's not going to be the vibrant yellow that I want it to be. All right, what we're gonna try next is we are going to go in with this shade on our finger, and we're gonna put that on the lid. I'm gonna try to wipe away some of this yellow. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, it covered it up pretty good, but I do have some fallout, so be aware of that. Let's go ahead just because, and let's throw a little bit of this gold kind of in the center. This one's definitely powdery as well. And let's just tap some in there. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. I have some definite fallout. I'm really hoping that that wipes away. No, this is the type that if you're gonna use the shimmers in here, they've got glitter in them. So you're gonna wanna do your eyes first. I didn't plan on using those. I wanted to put the yellow on my lid. So there's definite shimmer down there. I'll just try to cover it with some more powder. Probably won't work, but that's what we're doing. All right, now I'm gonna grab a little small brush and I'm going to grab this purple and I'm gonna put it kind of right above our shimmer shades. It's almost like we're doing a faux cut crease, just adding a little bit more definition. I'm gonna grab a little bit more of our orangey shade and just put it right on the edge here. All right, I'm gonna grab a little pencil brush, and we haven't used this shade yet, so we're gonna go in with this guy, which is a super, super dark. It kind of looks like a brown, it kind of looks like a purple. We're gonna run that really tight on our lower lash line. These shades are just beautifully pigmented, like they really are. And then I'm gonna mix the orange and the darker shade here and run it right below. We're gonna highlight with this shade right here. And like all of these metallic shimmer shades, they're more glitter shades. Like they're not metallics. I wish we had a lighter shade. Darn it. So this is where we are gonna stop, and I'm gonna go finish up my other eye and brows and all that, and we'll be back. Okay guys, this is our finished look. I really, really like the way this look turned out. What I will say is the fallout is real. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it's insane. Like I have a whole, let me scoot in here. I have a whole, yeah, there you go. I have a whole glob of glitter right here. And it's because these shades, they all have glitter in them. They're not true metallics. Like let me do a swatch of a couple of these. And then I'm gonna grab the Hangin' in Hawaii palette because these are pretty well the same price. This one's $16 and the Flower Beauty is $16.99. So I'm gonna grab a couple of these shades. All right, so these two are the BH Cosmetics and these three are the Flower Beauty. You can see they're much more muted. Like this is the only one close to a metallic shade. These are both glitter shades and you can see like these. Look how reflective and beautiful that is. So for $16 you can get this, $16.99 you're gonna get this. So honestly, I know the colors are different, but I would still go with this simply because you kind of have some of the same colors, but 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you get 16 shades for $16. The metallics are way better and the mattes are just as good. In this palette specifically, the mattes are really, really good, like really good. But I do not care for those kind of chunkier glitter shades. I prefer a metallic shade. And the fallout, oh my gosh. So if you're looking into this, do I recommend it? I would. The mattes are really, really good, like really good. But I hate the shape of this, and this looks so cheap. I would rather it just be cardboard, to be honest, because I don't like how small they are. You can't hardly get your brush in. And then you can see there's two different sets here and one is sitting above the other. Let me hold it this way. Like you can see where they connect here, and this one's up higher than this one, and it just looks really, really cheap to me. And it's not cheap. Like what you're paying for it, you're paying pretty good price for a drugstore product, given the mattes are good quality. But I mean, it's up to you guys. I mean, you've seen the way they applied, how they worked. I like the palette, but I don't love the palette, and I don't like it, the looks of it, the way it's laid out, any of that. I would far prefer one of these over this. BH Cosmetics has great quality, just like the mattes in here. It's just, you may really love this formula. If you like kind of chunkier glitter shades, you don't mind doing your eyes first, and you have smaller brushes, you may like this. And that's what I'm saying. The quality is there for the matte shades. So totally up to you guys. Let me know if you pick this up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you subscribe and hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.